Chanel Temple, the resident artist for Hourglass Cosmetics, and today we're here at our flagship store with the legendary brow expert, Kristie Streicher. Hi, I'm so excited you're here. We're just so honored because we know that you are a fan already of our brow sculpting pencil, but we thought with the launch of our new Arch Brow Gels that you'd be the perfect person to talk to about how to use them and how the two are both so important.
So even though Madison has microblading in her brows, you can still use the Arch Brow collection to add a little bit of either softness or fullness. You can create a bolder brow or soften it a little. Well, starting with the Arch Sculpt Brow Pencil, which has a little bit of wax, a little bit of powder in a pencil form, which is great. I like to start by just doing a little bit of brushing, kind of find the natural shape, and then just lightly shading from the top, holding the skin kind of tight. And this pencil is nice because it has the precise tip, but also has the side which you can kind of lay down. So it's really user-friendly. I like to kind of add as I go and blend. So I'll do a little bit on the top, kind of going against the grain of the hair. And then we'll finish with the Volumizing Fiber Gel. I'm using the warm brunette on Madison today. And this brush I love because it has the two sides, the longer bristles on one side and then the shorter on the other. And it adds just a little bit of product with the longer bristles. Comb and tame brow hairs into place.